Unlock real estate deals, even when your data tools are out of reach, by mastering creative financing strategies. Think Propstream is your only path to funding. Think again today. We're diving into powerful creative financing methods that empower you to secure profitable ventures without relying on expensive data platforms. First, let's explore seller financing. This is where the seller acts as the bank, allowing you to structure a loan directly with them to initiate this. You'll need to identify motivated sellers who might be open to creative terms. Look for properties that have been on the market for a while or sellers facing unique circumstances. Your pitch to the seller should focus on how this arrangement benefits them, perhaps by offering a slightly higher sale price or a smoother, faster transaction. Next up, partnerships. This strategy involves collaborating with other investors who bring capital, expertise, or both to the table when seeking a partner. Clearly define the project, your role, and their expected return. Be prepared to present a well-researched deal that demonstrates profitability. Transparency and a clear partnership agreement are crucial for success. This allows you to pool resources and leverage complementary skills to close deals you might not be able to tackle alone. The key to creative financing, regardless of the method, is initiative and clear communication. You're not just looking for a property. You're building relationships and proposing solutions. Research potential sellers and partners thoroughly, and be ready to articulate the mutual benefits of your proposals. Your ability to creatively structure a deal is your real asset. By mastering these techniques, you can bypass the limitations of costly data platforms and confidently navigate the real estate market. Start exploring seller financing and partnerships today, and unlock your investing potential. Stay creative.